Hey everyone! If you're trying to pick the right tool for visual thinking, planning, or brainstorming, you've probably seen both Miro and XMind pop up. Today we'll compare them side by side and help you decide which one fits your workflow best. 1. What each tool is built for. XMind is primarily a mind mapping tool. It's designed to help you capture ideas, build structured maps, organize thoughts, and present them cleanly. You'll find features like different map structures, customization of nodes, themes, and detailed diagrams that work great for solo ideation or knowledge capture. On the other hand, Miro is more of a full visual workspace, an infinite canvas where teams brainstorm, map ideas, plan projects, create user journeys, diagrams, wireframes, and more. It's built for collaboration as much as personal work. 2. Ease of use and learning curve. If you just want to map out ideas quickly and simply, XMind tends to be more lightweight. You jump in, add nodes, subnodes, pick a layout, and you're set. Miro gives you more power and more options, and that means more to learn. For a team or a workflow that involves many people, many functions, and lots of visual tools, the extra features pay off. But if you only need basic mind mapping, Miro might feel like overkill. 3. Features and flexibility. Mind shines in its refinement of mind maps. Many layouts, export options, offline desktop versions, focus on structured information. It's perfect if your goal is making maps, hierarchies, visual summaries. Miro, by contrast, offers a broader canvas, sticky notes, connectors, templates for all sorts of workflows, from mind maps to agile boards, real-time collaboration, integrations with many other tools. So if your work involves team sessions, planning, brainstorming across functions, Miro has the flexibility. 4. Collaboration and device support. With XMind, you get strong support for personal work and decent collaboration, but mostly focused on the map itself. If you're working alone or with a small group, it works well. Miro is built for teams, multiple collaborators editing live, tagging people, commenting, board versions, workshop facilitation features. Also, Miro has strong browser, desktop, and mobile versions. If your team is distributed or you mix tablets plus desktop plus browser, Miro often wins. 5. Pricing and value. If cost and simplicity matter and you're mainly doing mind maps, XMind often gives you a lot of value for price or free tiers with core features. If your needs go beyond that, into visual planning, team collaboration, big boards, then Miro's free tier may suffice at a basic level, but its paid tiers unlock many features. So you'll want to consider your usage. 6. Which one should you choose? Choose XMind if you primarily create mind maps or structured diagrams. Work mostly solo or with small teams. Want a tool that's quicker for mapping ideas and less complex. Choose Miro if you collaborate widely with teams and need a visual workspace. Use various workflows: planning, diagramming, brainstorming, project mapping. Want integrations and the flexibility to expand your visual workspace beyond maps. Final thoughts. At the end of the day, neither tool is wrong. It really comes down to what fits your workflow. If you need straightforward mind mapping, go with XMind. If you need a versatile collaborative canvas, go with Miro. Try both, many have free versions, and see which one you feel more comfortable using and which fits your style of working. Thanks for watching. If this helped you decide between Miro and XMind, hit like and subscribe for more tool comparisons and productivity tips. Which one are you going to try first? Tell me in the comments.